Katie. Are you helping with Emily? Hi, Terry. There's Emily. Hi, Emily. You look a little disturbed. You want to see? Look.
Katie.
That's Katie.
Be Emily.
Yeah, let me see you. Ready? You watch. Go ahead. Push the carriage.
You want to push the carriage?
I'm Thomas.
Hi.
I'm going.
Well, go ahead and push the carriage with Nana.
Okay.
Okay, let's back up first. Miss Perry. Push, push, push.
You see this?
Look, it's Terry. Look, it's Nana.
And look, there's Terry. Terry, look.
It's Emily.
Terry.
Listen.
Emily.
And back up. Should we back up? You can look and you can see Katie in the mirror. Back up, back up, back
She's
up.
watching herself on the camera.
The camera.
Katie is in the camera, isn't she?
I'm Thomas.
Okay, ready? Okay, let's give Emily a push.
Okay, ready? Let's push Emily. Say, come on, Emily. Push, 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 push. You're giving Emily a ride in the carriage.
There's Emily.
I think we're going to put this thing back up, I think.
Yeah, I'll put some netting up. Hold on.
Push,
Katie, I'm watching.
Okay, you'll push from there? Okay, push, push, push. You want to push from here?
Katie, look.
Okay.
I did.
Why don't you help Nana push?
Come on. You can look in the camera. Say, come on.
Good job.
Katie's pushing. Here, look, you push right in the middle.
Oh, Katie, look. Can you see?
Look. Right in the middle.
Hi, Terry. That's Katie and Terry. And what do you think of all this, Emily? She's out here.
Who's that? Who's that, Terry? That's Uncle Paul.
Hi. Are you on the Oompa Loompa?
Hi, Uncle Paul.
Hi. Look at all the bubbles.
Okay, show mommy how you do jiggle.
Let me see jiggle jiggle,
Can you show
Katie.
mommy jiggle jiggle?
Oh, good
Then we
jiggling.
bring it up and see if there's any in the middle.
Go ahead.
Bring it up. Oh, there it is.
You did
And
it.
look, and this. Go like this and see if there's one.
Sorry, Lise. 987-1133.
Uh-huh.
Hi, Katie.
Put it back
What's that
down.
propaganda you got on your head?
That's the good one. So I'm gonna go right there. What do we tell mommy what you do first? Say, mommy, to do this, I have to go. What is it called? And then I bring it up and I have a bubble in the middle. Let's see. Here we let's see if Katie has it. There it is. And there's is there one in there?
Wow.
Yep. The boom. And then
Whoa.
we can see if there's any littles. Oh. Okay, now what do we do? Say, Mama, this is how you do it.
Okay, let me see.
Show Mama. Say, Mama, if you're going to have bubbles, this is what we have to do. Tell Mama, what do we do first? Okay, show Mama how you jiggle, jiggle. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. Now bring it up and see if there's a bubble in the middle. There it is. Pop. And then we go fast to see if there's any littles. Oh, fast. Ah,
Wow, there's a lot of little ones.
look at them.
Oh, they're beautiful. Is that Uncle Paul's car?
Well,
Maybe.
could be.
I don't think so, though. I think it's someone else's car.
Hello. Peekaboo. Now, what do we do first? What should we do to get the bubbles? Okay, let me see. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. And then we come up and see if there's a bubble in the middle. Right there. And I think there's still a bubble in the middle. There you go.
And now the little ones?
Here we go. See if there's any little. Ooh, there's little ones.
Wow, it's a lot of little ones.
We gotta get it in. That's it. And first we do jiggle, 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 jiggle. And then we bring it up. The bubble in the middle. Pop. And I think there's still a bubble in there. Woo.
It's a big
And
one.
then we do little, 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 little. And
Oh, it's beautiful. Hi.
Hi, Mama.
We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, Terry, you're too funny. We do it again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clap, clap, clap.
Katie, try. Yay, Katie.
Yay! Woo!
Who's that?
Did you?
Oh.
Let's see. That's the sun. Sun's going down.
Is that Katie?
Down, down,
No.
down. Clap, 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 clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Katie, you can do it. You can do it.
Katie, do her kicks?
Katie can kick. Wow.
Yeah, you can see. Ready?
You want to kick again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clap, 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 clap.
Oh, no.
Careful, careful, careful.
Oh, you're okay. You're okay.
Okay, here. You're fine.
That's Katie, isn't it?
Find the sun going down behind the trees into the water.
Hi, Terry. Whoa.
Monkey dear, what are you doing?
All right, we're going to say goodbye before this is another accident.
Do one thing one.
Hold on. Okay, go ahead.
Katie, over here. Here we are.
Where's Terry?
Woo! Katie, it's Katie in the camper. Wow. Wow.
Let's see the bubbles.
That's it, Terry.
Shake, shake, shake. That's
Whoa, Katie, look at all your bubbles. Wow, look at them all. Shake some more.
Pop, pop.
Any more? Any more? A little bit more. Look at that. Wow. Are they going to go up in the sky, too? Look at the one going way over there. Way up over the house.
it. Okay, shake it. Oh.
Oh, Katie, you still
Ready?
more in there.
Here we go. This is for Terry.
Katie, look at there's still more.
Here you go, Terry. Terry,
Okay, let's see, Katie. Up.
go ahead, shake, shake.
Up.
Yay! Look at all the bubbles you
No,
made.
no, no. Look, big one's coming. Okay, now shake, shake, Katie. Shake, 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 shake. Oh, wow, Katie, look at them all. Keep shaking.
Little ones, that's right.
Wow, look at them all still going.
Wow.
Then we have them in here. And we're going to go jiggle, 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 and then come up. Up, 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 slow. Oh, Katie, a big one.
Whoa.
Look, Katie, the big ones you made. Look at that one. It's going up. Look, honey, look over there. Look, turn around. It's going up over the roof. Look.
And now Terry's going to play, it looks like Terry's playing Splash with the crayons.
Okay. Now let's shake, shake, shake. Oh, Katie, look at the big balloon, the big
Bubble.
It's going over the umbrella. Where's it going to go? Katie, where's it going? Oh, boy, did that stay a long time. That went for a long trip, didn't it?
Hi, Katie.
Katie, show Mommy how you
Katie,
shake,
look.
shake, shake. Shake, shake bubbles for Mama. Look, there they are.
There, look.
Terry's going to catch them.
Whoa.
Look at all the bubbles. Keep going, Katie. See the bubbles in the
In the camera, yeah.
You see the
There they
bubbles?
go. Wow, it's fun here at Nana's house at the beach.
There he is, Terry. Right there. Terry? Right there. Oh, there you are. You found him.
What's the cow say?
Yeah.
What about the horsey? And the cow?
The horsey. I hear the cow. And you saw the horsey.
We can do something.
Then you saw the cow again. Who's that? Oh, who's that?
Look.
He's nice.
What does the doggy say, Terry?
Woof.
You tell Nana what the doggy says?
Woof.
That's a different movement.
Yes, little kick, little one.
Okay.
Woof. 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 Woof.
Oh, who's that?
Horsey.
What does he say?
Horsey.
I see. Chicken. Go through the swallows, Terry.
Oh.
There's no way you're getting your melon through there. Sorry.
Clock, clock, yeah, clock, clock.
What does the rooster say, Terry?
I think I saw a cow over there. What does he say?
Nana, must I tell you again?
You have a very short-term memory.
Where are they going?
We're squishing them between the two.
Terry, what does the donkey say? Do you remember the donkey says?
You know he has a little.
Oh, you need the figurine, but
Daddy.
The doggy.
What's the doggy say?
Woof.
What about the piggy? Where's the pig? What's the piggy say?
No. I daddy sing. Woof woof.
Oh,
King. I say.
what's the doggy say?
Woof woof.
Woof, woof.
Terry, who's that?
Look up.
King.
Terry.
Who's that? That's Terry.
King.
Terry.
You say, hi, Terry.
Auntie. Auntie. Yeah.
Yeah, you're right there.
you tell Terry what the cow says? That didn't make sense.
What does Terry say?
Woof.
You say, bye-bye, Terry. Bye-bye.
Terry.
Tea.
Yeah, that's Terry.
Tea.
You say, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Here we are at Terry's pre-second birthday party down the Cape.
We'll hold it right there.
Nana, Katie, Terry, and Mama.
Baby, look, here's another one.
And baby to be named later. There it is.
Terry,
Hello.
we'll leave that one here.
Look, look.
All right.
Who's that?
It's got a. What's that, Terry?
Thomas.
It's Thomas.
Terry, what do you got? Hey,
Should we
Terry.
show Terry how to play with it?
It's a picture.
Ready? Here, you open up the book. It's kind of like your Dora book.
so funny. He doesn't like the books to
Right away.
make sounds.
But
But
soon he will. And look, these are all trains. And they have magnets. We can put them on and go choo-choo.
Wow, that looks pretty cool, Terry. What do you think?
You look, look, there's Daddy.
Hi, what do you think? Right here, buddy.
So you turn the thing around, Dobie.
I understand.
Katie,
I'm gonna
look.
get my
Katie.
tricycle out of the way.
Katie,
So-
look up at Daddy. Who's that?
Who's that? It's Katie.
I think you're in a nursing home.
And it's a new ride.
And then look, we can turn it this way too. And look, there's two Harolds.
All right, Daddy needs to pause recording so the pool doesn't overfill. I'll be right back.